Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Carney complex, the triad as well as the dyad. So first is the Carney complex components. So it includes the mixomers. So there is presence of the mixomers. So mixomers, it includes the cardiac as well as the skin and the breast. Then we move on to the lentigens. So lentigens are the pigment nevi. Then it also there is a endocrine overactivity. So in terms of endocrine overactivity, it contains the primary nodular adrenal cortical disease, the primary nodular adrenal cortical disease, adrenal cortical disease, and then there is also presence of the testicular tumors. This presence of the testicular tumors as well as the pituitary adenomas, along with the gigantism or acromegaly, along with the gigantism and the acromegaly. So let's recap. We saw the Carney complex. It includes the mixomers. So that is the cardiac, the SK for the skin and the breast. Then it includes the lentigens, that's the pigment nevi, and the endocrine overactivity, that is the primary nodular adrenal cortical disease, the testicular tumors, the pituitary adenomas, as well as the gigantism or the acromegaly. So this was about the complex. Next we look at the Carney's triad. So what is seen in terms of the Carney triad? So Carney triad, it includes the GIST, that is a gastrointestinal stromal tumor, and it also includes the pulmonary chondroma. So this gastrointestinal stromal tumor as well as the pulmonary chondroma. And next there it includes the extra adrenal paraganglioma. So extra adrenal paraganglioma. So let's recap. So we saw the Carney's triad. This includes the GIST, that is a gastrointestinal stromal tumor. There is a pulmonary chondroma as well as the extra adrenal paraganglioma. Lastly, we move on to the Carney-Striakis syndrome. So it is a Carney-Striakis syndrome. So it is aka the Carney's dyad. So it is aka the Carney's dyad. So what does this include? This includes the GIST as well as a paraganglioma. So what is it? The Carney's complex of the triad and the dyad. So here, in terms of the Carney-Striakis syndrome or the Carney's dyad, it includes the GIST as well as a paraganglioma. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.